Hi guys, right now I am going to be YouTubing today to see if there's life in a duck egg. Now, you need this type of flashlight, lantern. It's very bright, you can find it at Home Depot. And this duck egg. So while I was going in the street, I found an abandoned duck egg and I've been putting this in a nest and I've been spraying it with water when it's too hot, and I put it in a heat lamp. I think you know what it is, you guys have it. So today I'm doing this video to show if there's life in here. Let's see. You have to go in a dark room, close everything.
Put the light on.
Okay. That's how bright it is. Okay. So you would sit down. So let's say if you, at least you drop the egg, you don't drop it and it's not fatal, won't crack. Get it? And then when you do it, the egg is straight, correct? So what you do is you would do it reverse. And then that's, you see that? That's how you know. There's white in here and there's all black in there, meaning there's a baby inside. You can tell from the nerves. See if there's any movement. See, part of the body there's movement. Just have to find out which part. Not this part. That part. But at least you could tell from the nerves. If there's nerves, and if all it is dark, meaning there's a baby. Sometimes you have to turn it around to see if there's movements. You don't have to necessarily see movements. As long as you see nerves, you're good. But once in a while, you have to do candling. Do it one more time, because if you move the egg too much, it could break. Well, I think I just saw some movement down there. Ah, right here. Look, you see it? Right there. It's a heartbeat. I see it.
Wrap it up.
Oh. Okay, guys. So that's how you see if there's life inside. So right after that, you put it back in the nest if you don't have an incubator, and then you do it again. I would recommend to move the egg, change its position 6 times a day, and spray it 2 times a day if you do not have an incubator, because I've been experiencing this for 5 days. So, thank you. Please subscribe to my channel.